How to integrate Cybersource payment gateway. First, log into your Cybersource Business Center at businesscenter.cyber.ce.com. Once you're in, go to Account Management, then API Keys. Choose either REST API Keys or SOAP Keys, depending on your platform. Download your Merchant ID, API Key, and Shared Secret Key. You'll need these in your website or app. Next, go to your website backend. If you're using Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, or PrestaShop, just install the official Cybersource plugin from your platform's marketplace. Open the plugin settings and paste your Merchant ID and API keys. Save it, run a test transaction, and you're good. If you're integrating manually with custom code, go to developer or .cybe or source.com. Download the SDK for your language like Java, PHP, Node.js, or Python. Add the credentials you copied earlier. Choose payment types like card payments or Apple Pay, and run the sample request to confirm everything works. Thanks for watching.